everybody, do you see my 6 eyes and 3 faces and 6 ears? Figure out how! And today we're gonna learn about how an angle's formed. Have you ever seen angles like this, or this? Those are called angles, and these are called parallel lines. Let's watch a video about angles. How an angle's formed. How is an angle formed?
Have you ever been dancing and spun all the way around? Or have you ever seen a skateboarder make a complete turn in the air to end up facing the same direction? That's called a 360 turn. If we draw a 360 turn, it looks like a complete circle. If someone turns halfway, that's a 180 turn, because 1/2 of 360 is 180. They're turning halfway through a circle. When a car turns right or left, it's turning through a quarter of a complete circle. Since a quarter of 360 is 90, we can call that a 90. A turn that's a quarter of a circle is the same as a right angle. We can think of a capital L to remember the shape of a right angle. When we see right angles drawn in math, a small capital L shape is drawn in the angle. That symbol always means right angle. We can also find right angles in some geometric shapes. There are examples of right angles all around us. When we make a turn that's smaller than a right angle, that turn's called an acute angle. We can think of the letter V to help remember what an acute angle looks like. There are acute angles all around us too, and we can find them in geometric shapes as well. This triangle's angles are all acute angles. See? A turn that's more than a right angle, but less than a straight turn, is called an obtuse angle. Take a look at these examples of obtuse angles we see in real life. The 180 turn is also a kind of angle. This angle is called a straight angle, though, because it forms a straight line. See how these straight angles make straight lines? The main thing to understand is that an angle is really how much of a circle we're turning through, and that different sized turns have different names. And remember,
the most common thing we see in life is the clock, which forms different angles. See all different kinds of angles: straight, full, half, and a quarter. So this is what we learned from angles. And remember,